So right out of the gate today, we have a oldie but a goodie, the Henri Countach frame from the Monaco collection in the Volt colorway. We're gonna have some fun with this guy, so stick around and check it out and let me know your thoughts on it. Definitely wanted to grab it in my opinion, but your opinion matters. First of all, if you are new to the channel, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you can stick around as we go through and do the reviews on these latest and coolest frames from companies you might not have heard of or get to see anywhere else. And of course, we talk about the fit and adjustment and how to take care of the glasses as well. But today, the focus is the Countach. Classic, right? You think of Countach, you think of the Lamborghini, instantly it's a signature name. It's recognized for style as an icon. It still is an icon. It's a lot of the reason Lamborghini is what they are today. That exotic shape has transcended time. It's still kind of that same very boxy, very aggressive wedge shaped, right? Super slick cars. The glasses are just as slick. This is one, as I mentioned, this is the Volt colorway, which is a very cool translucent green. The lenses, you can't pick it up on camera here, but they are, I don't know, acid green is what I'm gonna go with, but they have a blue mirror coating to them as well. You're not gonna pick that up here in the studio lights, unfortunately. The mirrors just don't show up well with my setup in the studio. I've gotta figure out a way to fix that. I don't know what that solution is. One of these days, we'll get it. If you have tips for that, let me know down below because I need them. Now, this frame is just really cool. It's kind of the modified square type shape. You almost lean into a more hexagonish, but we don't have quite enough cut out here. Really cool use of the double bar with a little bit of negative space in between. Wears really clean on the face. Of course, it is acetate, but you do have some very nice titanium detailing, a little bit of coining across the brow bar, and then the signature logo there in the lenses and here at the tip. Now, this is one of the earlier evolutions of this, so we've seen this kind of evolve and come into its own in some of the newer stuff, where it is that fully embossed shield, which I love, of course. Now, the temples on these are all titanium, white, gold, palladium, all precious metal platings on each of the different colorways. I believe the octane was the black and 18 karat gold. Very beautiful. This one, the Volt with the white gold. I think it was white gold, might have been palladium. I will have to check on that. This one actually is one of the last ones floating around out there. So if you're seeing this video and you're looking for them, if I have it, it's down below. If I don't, you might be out of luck. The Countach frame kind of took off. Ryan Seacrest is actually wearing this one in the black colorway. The Volt, in my opinion, much cooler. Just saying. Sorry, Ryan, you missed the boat. Should have gone with the Volt. Anyway, who am I to judge a style icon? I'll do it anyway. Now, super nice, flexible, soft titanium. Not the crazy flexy kind that just bends when you look at it. There's some nice resistance, a nice give, very adjustable, well thought out, super clean fit, and I really love this pear tip. That is a throwback to very classic designs, which is nice to see in a frame as iconic of a name as the Countach, right? Which has just been remade in the car as well. God, do you guys that got your hands on one of those? Anyway. I won't blabber on about the cars too long. More just these frames. All Japanese made, all handcrafted, very well thought out, as all of Tyler's stuff always has been. The earlier stuff is good. The newer stuff is good. It's all really good. Fit-wise, I'm gonna say medium to large on these. It does kind of have a little bit smaller frame look. A little bit of that is the camera angle here. A lot of that is, it is that nice kind of form-fitted Taylor sizing. And a lot of his earlier designs were. It's just kind of the way you design. Now we've got some much larger stuff. Way over the top. He listens to the things we say and goes where the fit is needed. I really like the adjustability of these though, but then you do also have, and as I mentioned the adjustability, you do have these titanium pads with that same plating that is going to be out here. Very thick, very durable, very well thought out, and on the face, incredibly lightweight. There are not many acetate titanium combination frames that are compared to this in the overall feel and lightness. It's incredible to see, and I think you need one of these. I say that with a bit of a forked tongue because it's very possible you missed out on them. It does happen. I have missed out on one myself. Forever will regret missing the Vanquish in Bordeaux colorway. Had it here, sold it. After I sold it, I realized it was the last one. I'll get one of these days, somehow. But the newer stuff's really cool. So anyway, that's all I've got on the Countach for today. I won't bore you any further. I feel like I am a rambling madman today. So let me know your thoughts down below. Any questions you have about this or other frames, any other frames you would like to see reviewed, maybe something you can't get your hands on because that's what I like. Generally not vintage, but newer stuff. Anyways, that's all I've got for today. Thanks for sticking around through my insane ramblings because I am not all here today, but we are doing everything we can. I'll catch you guys next time.